Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a toggle. It's very simple. So let's just get started. So you have your model here, and we're going to just use, I'm just going to create a cube here just for example. I'm going to just put it in the middle here, and we're going to make it, when I select it, of course, yes, that helps. I'm going to shrink down here, and we're going to place it on his head. That's fine there for the purposes of this video. Now we want to put, we'll just put it on his head since it's on his head, so we'll attach it to the head bone and we will hide it, and because we want it off by default. So the next thing you want to do is go to the parameters of your model. We will create a new one. Use a bool since it's just on and off. We'll call it cube to make it nice and simple. We will copy that, so that way we can just paste it in the FX there, which we want to go to next because it's case sensitive. We'll go to parameters, hit the plus button here, bool, and we can paste that right there. Now the next thing we want to do is create the animation version. So click your model, hit Control D to duplicate your model, and we'll just hide the original. And we'll go to the animation tab, we'll hit create, and we'll put it in our animations folder, or you can save it to wherever you would like. We'll call it cube on. And click our model once again, hit record, and then go down the hierarchy to wherever the object is that you want to toggle on. In our case here, it is on the head, so we will turn that on like so, hit record again, and we will delete that duplicated model, and then we will show the original, and he's fine and dandy. Now we will go back into the FX layer. We will go to the layers tab, we will hit plus here, and we'll call it cube, and you have your layer right here. Make sure you click this cogwheel and drag it all the way to 1. The weight has to be 1 for the animation to actually work. Next, you want to right click in here, create state empty, and just drag that right under entry, because that's fine right there. So now you go to the folder where you created the animation, and in our case we called it cube on. So you drag that in here, right click any state, make transition, that goes to the animation, make transition again, and that goes to exit. Click this, the first line you created, hit the plus symbol here, scroll down to the parameter we created, and we will true, because then the animation activates, and then we will do the same thing. But what you can do is copy transition and click the second line you created and paste both, except this time it'll be false because then it will be turning off. Now the last thing you want to do is set it up in the menus. So I will put it in my toggles menu that I have here, and I already have it set up, but I will just recreate it just to show you what I did. We'll call it cube toggle, toggler apparently. Make sure this is on toggle. Then we will put the parameter to the one we created, call it cube. You can put an icon here if you would like, that is up to you. We'll just use this book here for an example, and it should be good to go, but I will just do a test. I'm using the Avatar 3.0 emulator just to show you that it's working. And we will click our model, and we have all our options here. So we put it in the toggle submenu. We put it in cube, or we called it cube toggle, club toggle I was going to say. So that is it working right there. As you can see, the cube is on his head, fully attached and all that jazz. and you can simply turn it off and he is still good to go. So yeah, that's how you do a toggle. Fairly simple. If you have any problems, leave a comment in the video, under the video, in the video. Leave a comment under the video, or wherever the comment section is. And I will help you, no problem. Okay, so thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.